window is open, so is that door. I didn't know they did that anymore. Who knew we owned 8,000 salad plates? For years I'd roamed these empty halls. Why have a ballroom with no balls? Finally they're opening up the gates. There'll be actual real-life people. It'll be totally strange. But wow, I am so ready for this change. 'Cause for the first time in forever, there'll be music, there'll be light. For the first time in forever, I'll be dancing through the night. Don't know if I'm elated or gassy, but I'm somewhere in that zone. 'Cause for the first time in forever, I won't be alone. I can't wait to meet everyone. What if I meet the one? Tonight imagine me gown and all, fetchingly draped against the wall, the picture of sophisticated grace. Ooh, I suddenly see him standing there, a beautiful stranger, tall and fair. I wanna stuff some chocolate in my face. But then we laugh and talk all evening, which is totally bizarre. Nothing like the life I've led so far. For the first time in forever, there'll be magic, there'll be fun. For the first time in forever, I could be noticed by someone. And I know it is totally crazy to dream I'd find romance, but for the first time in forever, at least I've got a chance.
Don't let them in, don't let them see. Be the good girl you always have to be. Conceal, don't feel, put on a show. Make one wrong move and everyone will know. But it's only for today.
It's only for today.
It's agony to wait.
It's agony to wait.
Tell the guards to open up the gate.
The gate. For the first time in forever, I'm getting what I'm dreaming of.
Be the good girl you always have
A
to
chance
be.
to change my lonely world. A chance to find true
Conceal, don't
love.
feel, don't let them
I know it all ends tomorrow, so it has to be today. 'Cause for the first time in forever, for the first time in forever, nothing's in my way. Oh, you out there, do you know me? Can you feel me? Can you show me? I've never felt so certain. All my life I've been torn, but I'm here for a reason. Could it be the reason I was born? I have always been so different. Normal rules did not apply. Is this the day? Are you the way? I finally find out why. Show yourself. I'm no longer trembling. Here I am. I've come so far. You are the answer I've waited for all of my life. Oh, show yourself. Let me see who you are. Okay, can I just say something crazy?
I love crazy.
All my life has been a series of doors in my face, and then suddenly I bump into you.
I was thinking the same thing. Cause like, I've been searching my whole life to find my own place. And maybe it's the party talking on the chocolate fondue.
But with you,
I found my place.
I see your face,
and it's nothing like I've ever known before. Love is an open door. Love is an open door. Love is an open door. With you, love is an open door. I mean, it's crazy.
What?
We finish each other's
sandwiches.
That's what I was gonna
I
say.
never met someone
Who thinks so much like me? Jinx! Jinx again! Our mental synchronization can't have but one explanation. You were meant to be.
Say goodbye.
Say goodbye to the pain of the past. We don't have to feel it anymore. Love is an open door. Love is an open door. Life can be so much more. With you. Love is an open door. Can I say something crazy? Will you marry me?
Can I say something even crazier? Yes!
Ma chère mademoiselle, it is with deepest pride and greatest pleasure that we welcome you tonight. And now we invite you to relax. Let us pull up a chair as the dining room proudly presents your dinner. Be our guest, be our guest, put our service to the test. Tie your napkin around your neck, Sherry, and we'll provide the rest. Soup du jour, hot hors d'oeuvres, why we only live to serve. Try the gray stuff, it's delicious. Don't believe me, ask the dishes. They can sing, they can dance. After all, miss, this is France, and the dinner here is never second best. Go on, unfold your menu, take a glance, and then you'll be our guest. We are guest, be our guest. Beef ragout, cheese souffle, pie and pudding en flambe. We'll prepare and serve with flair a culinary cabaret. You're alone and you're scared, but the banquet's all prepared. No one's gloomy or complaining, while the flatware's entertaining. We tell jokes, I do tricks with my fellow candlesticks. And it's all in perfect taste that you can bet. Go on and lift your glass. You've won your own free pass to be our guest. If you're stressed, it's fine dining we suggest. Be our guest, be our guest, be our guest. Life is so unnerving for a servant who's not serving. He's not whole without a soul to wait upon. Oh, those good old days when we were useful. Suddenly, those good old days are gone. 10 years we've been rusting, needing so much more than dusting, needing exercise, a chance to use our skills. Most days we just lay around the castle. Flabby, fat and lazy, you walked in and up's a daisy.
It's a guest, sakes alive, or I'll be blessed. Wine's been poured and thank the Lord, I've had the napkins freshly pressed. With dessert, she'll want tea, and my dear, that's fine with me. While the cups do their soft shoeing, I'll be bubbling, I'll be brewing, I'll get warm, piping hot. Heaven's sakes, is that a spot? Clean it up, we want the company impressed. We've got a lot to do, is it one lump or two? For you are guests. She's our guest. She's our guest. Be our guest. Our command is your request. It's been years since we've had anybody here. And we're obsessed with your meal, with your needs. Yes, indeed, we aim to please. While the candlelight's still glowing, let us help you. We'll keep going. Course by course, one by one, till
shine like forever, last forever. And you shine and still show. So you could fear, and darling, let me know. I don't mind if you still show. Sorry about not one-way train. Always knew it, I was crying. So you could fear, and darling, please let me know. You'll be one, baby, I'll be two. Would you mind if you said I don't mind if you still show.
You've got a friend in me. You've got a friend in me. When the road looks rough ahead and you're miles and miles from a nice warm bed, you just remember what your old pal said, boy. You've got a friend in me. Now you've got a friend in me.
You've got a friend in me. You've got a friend in me. You got the troubles, I've got them too. There isn't anything I wouldn't do for you. We stick together and I see it through. 'Cause you've got a friend in me. You've got a friend in me.
Some other folks might be a little bit smarter than I am, bigger and stronger too, maybe, but none of them will ever love you the way I do. Just me and you, boy.
And as the years go by,
Our friendship will never die.
you're gonna see it's our destiny.
You've got a friend in me. You've got a friend in me. You've got a friend in me.
Dancing bears, painted wings, things I almost remember, and a song someone sings once upon a December. Someone holds me safe and warm. Horses prance through a silver storm. Figures dancing gracefully across my memory. Someone holds me safe and warm. Horses prance through a silver storm. Figures dancing gracefully across my memory. Far away edge of the water, long as I can remember, never really knowing why. I wish I could be the perfect daughter, but I come back to the water, no matter how hard I try. Every turn I take, every trail I track, every path I make, every road leads back to the place I know, where I cannot go, where I long to be. See, the line meets the sky, meets the sea, it calls me, and no one knows how far it goes. If the wind in my sail on the sea stays behind me, one day I'll go. If I go, there's just no telling how far I'll go. Oh, 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 oh. I know everybody on this island seems so happy on this island. Everything is by design. I know everybody on this island has a role on this island, so maybe I can roll with mine. I can lead with pride, I can make us strong. I'll be satisfied if I play along, but the voice inside sings a different song. What's wrong with me? See the light as it shines on the sea, it's blinding, but no one knows how deep it goes, as it seems like it's calling out to me. So come find me and let me know what's beyond that line. Will I cross that line? See the line where the sky meets the sea, it calls me, and no one knows how far it goes. If the wind in my sail on the sea stays behind me, one day I'll know how far I'll go.
Someday my prince will come. Someday I'll find my love, and how thrilling that moment will be, when the prince of my dreams come to me. He'll whisper, I love you, and steal a kiss or two that is far away. I'll find my love someday, someday when my dreams come true. Someday my prince will come. Someday I'll find my love, and how thrilling that moment will be, when the prince of my dreams come to me. He'll whisper, I love you, and steal a kiss or two that is far away. I'll find my love someday, someday when my dreams, someday when my dreams, someday when my dreams come true.
have been. Now I'm here, blinking in the starlight. Now I'm here, suddenly I see. Standing here, it's all so clear. I'm where I'm meant to be. And at last I see the light, and it's like the fog has lifted. And at last I see the light, and it's like the sky is new. And it's warm and real and bright, and the world has somehow shifted. All at once, everything looks different now that I see you. I have something for you too. I shouldn't have given it to you before, but I was just scared. But the thing is, I'm not scared anymore. You know what I mean? I'm starting to. All those days chasing down a daydream. All those years living in a blur. All that time never truly seeing things the way they were. Now he's here, shining in the starlight. Now he's here, suddenly I know. If he's here, it's crystal clear. I'm where I'm meant to go. And at last I see the light, and it's like the fog has lifted. And at last I see the light, and it's like the sky is blue, and it's warm and really bright, and the world has somehow shifted. All at once, everything is different now that I see you. Now that I see you.
The usual morning lineup. Start on the chores and sweep till the floor's all clean. Polish and wax, do laundry and mop and shine up. Sweep again, and by then it's like 7:15, and so I read a book, or maybe 2 or 3. I'll add a few new paintings to my gallery. I'll play guitar and knit and cook, and basically just wonder, when will my life begin? Then after lunch, it's puzzles and darts and baking. Paper mache, a bit of ballet and chess. Pottery and ventriloquy, candle making. Then I'll stretch, maybe sketch, take a climb, sew a dress, and I'll reread the books if I have time to spare. I'll paint the walls some more, I'm sure there's room somewhere. And then I'll brush and brush and brush and brush my hair, stuck in the same place I've always been. And I'll keep wondering and wondering and wondering and wondering, when will my life begin?
here, just like they do on my birthday each year. What is it like out there where they glow? Now that I'm older, Mother might just let me go.
Aloha, aloha, Anoi ke aloha, 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 Anoi ke aloha, There's no place I'd rather be
Than on a surfboard out at sea.
lingering in the ocean blue.
And if I had one wish come true,
I'd surf till the sun sets beyond the horizon.
I'll wiki wiki my logi logi, lave my kapapa e nanu.
Flying by on a Hawaiian roller coaster ride. Viki viki my lohi lohi,
Lave my kapapa e nanu.
la 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 ika la hana hana. I na lulu la la ha la ha. Hele hele my kakue.
Hawaiian roller coaster ride.
There's no place I'd rather be.
Than on the seashore dry but free.
On the sand is where I play.
And if I only had my way,
I play till the sun sets beyond the horizon. Hawaiian roller coaster ride. No worry, no fear, ain't no biggie, but when we cut down, front side, back side, we can play like that. Let's go jumping, start stopping, bumping, coasting with the motion of the ocean. Whirlpool swirling, cascading, swirling. Hawaiian roller coaster ride. There's no place I'd rather be.
than on a surfboard out at sea.
Lingering in the ocean blue.
And if I had one wish come true,
I'd surf till the sun sets beyond the horizon.
I'll wiki wiki my logi logi, lave my kapapa e nanu.
Flying by on a Hawaiian roller coaster ride. Viki viki my lohi lohi,
Lave my kapapa e nanu.
I na lulu la la ha la ha. La 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 ika la hana hana. Hele hele my kakue.
Hawaiian roller coaster ride.
Flying by on a Hawaiian roller coaster ride.
Hawaiian roller coaster ride.
We don't talk about Bruno, no, no, no. We don't talk about Bruno. It was my wedding day. We were getting ready and there wasn't a cloud in the sky. Clouds allowed in the sky. Bruno walks in with a mischievous grin. You telling the story or am I? Please let me go on. Bruno says it looks like rain. Why did he tell us? In doing so, he floods my brain. But I get the umbrella. Married in a hurricane. Enjoy his day, but anyway. Bruno, no, no, no. We don't talk about Bruno. I could always hear him sort of muttering and mumbling. I associate him with the sound of falling sand. It's a heavy lift with a gift so humbling. Always left abuela and the family fumbling, grappling with prophecies they couldn't understand. Do you understand? A 7-foot frame wraps along his back. When he calls your name, it all fades to black. Yeah, he sees your dreams and feasts on your screams. Yeah, we don't talk about Bruno, no, no, no. We don't talk about Bruno. He told me my fish would die the next day, dead. No, he told me I grow a gut, and just like he said that all my hair will disappear. And I look at my head. No, no, your fate is sealed when your prophecy is read. He told me that the life of my dreams would be promised and someday be mine. He told me that my power would grow like the grapes that thrive on the vine. OJ Mariano's on his way. He told me that the one of my dreams would be just out of rage, betrothed to another. It's like I hear him now. Hey sis, I want not a sound out of you. I can hear him now. Bruno, yeah, about that Bruno. I really need to know about Bruno. Give me the truth and the whole truth, Bruno. It's a bad liar, but friends here. Time for dinner? A 7-foot frame wraps along his back. When there wasn't a cloud in the sky, fades to black. Yeah, he sees your dreams and feasts on your screams. Yeah, you telling the story or am I? I'm sorry, please let me go on. Bruno says it looks like rain along his back. When he calls your name, my brain to black. Yeah, he sees your hurricane on his screams. Yeah, about Bruno, no, no, no. We don't talk about Bruno.
What I love most about rivers is you can't step in the same river twice. The water's always changing, always flowing. The people, I guess, can live like that. We almost pay a price to be safe. We lose our chance of ever knowing what's around the river bend, waiting just around the river bend. I look once more, just around the river bend, beyond the shore, where the gulls fly free. Don't know what for, what I dreamed a day might send, just around the river bend. For me, coming for me. I feel it there beyond those trees, or right behind these waterfalls. Can I ignore the sound of distant drumming? For a handsome, sturdy husband who builds handsome, sturdy walls, and never dreams that something might be coming. Just around the river bend, just around the river bend. I look once more, just around the river bend, beyond the shore, somewhere past the sea. Don't know what for. Why do all my dreams extend? Just around the river bend, just around the river bend. Should I choose the smoothest course, steady as the beating drum? Should I marry Coco One? Is all my dreaming at an end? Or do you still wait for me, dream giver, just around the
Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Turn my back and slam the door. The snow glows white on the mountain tonight. Not a footprint to be seen. A kingdom of isolation, and it looks like I'm the queen. The wind is howling like this whirling storm inside. Couldn't keep it in, heaven knows I tried. Don't let them in, don't let them see. Be the good girl you always had to be. Conceal, don't feel, don't let them know. Well, now they know. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Turn my back and slam the door. And here I stand, and here I'll stay. Let it go, let it go. The cold never bothered me anyway. It's funny how some distance makes everything seem small, and the fears that once controlled me can't get to me at all. Up here in the cold thin air, I finally can breathe. I know I left our life behind, but I'm too relieved to grieve. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Turn my back and slam the door. And here I stand, and here I'll stay. Let it go, let it go. The cold never bothered me anyway. In the life I've chosen, past is all behind me, buried in the snow. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Turn my back and slam the door. And here I'll stand, and here I'll stay. Let it go, let it go. The cold never bothered me anyway.
Remember me, though I have to say goodbye. Remember me, don't let it make you cry. For even if I'm far away, I hold you in my heart. I sing a secret song to you each night we are apart. Remember me, though I have to travel far. Remember me, each time you hear a sad guitar. Know that I'm with you the only way that I can be, until you're in my arms again.
Lord Almighty,
my body. Won't you help me? I feel like I'm slipping away. And it's hard to breathe. I feel my chest starting heaving. Lord have mercy, it's burning a hole where I lay. Yeah, 'cause your kisses lift me higher, like a sweet song of the choir. You light my morning sky, you burning love. I'm just a hunk of 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 burning love. Yeah. I'm just a hunk of burning love. I'm just a hunk of burning love, baby. I'm just a hunk of burning love. I'm just a hunk of burning love, baby. I'm just a hunk of burning love. I'm just a hunk of burning love. Oh, I'm just a hunk of burning love.
Stop your crying, it'll be alright. Just take my hand, hold it tight. I will protect you from all around you. I will be here, don't you cry. For one so small, you seem so strong. My arms will hold you, keep you safe and warm. This bond between us can't be broken. I will be here, don't you cry. You'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore. You'll be in my heart, no matter what they say. You'll be here in my heart, always. Why can't they understand the way we feel? They just don't trust what they can't explain. I know we're different, but deep inside us, we're not that different at all. And you'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore. Don't listen to them, 'cause what do they know? We need each other to have to hold. Don't see in time, I know. When destiny calls you, you must be strong. I may not be with you, but you got to hold on. They'll see in time, I know. We'll show them together, 'cause you'll be in my heart. You'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore. You you. I'll be there for you always, always and always. Just look over your shoulder, just look over your shoulder, just look over your shoulder. I'll be there always. I've never been nobody like you. Had friends and I've had buddies, it's true. But they don't turn my tummy the way you do. I've never met nobody like you. You're never not on my mind. Oh my, oh my. I'm never not by your side, your side, your side. I'm never gonna let you cry, oh cry, don't cry. I'll never not be your ride or die, alright.
Let's call it what it is, it's a masterpiece. Got a whole lot of love for them city streets. Tonight is the place to be. Got a big boombox and a new CD. Come on everybody, let's tear it up. If you want mad skills, you can share with us. I want everybody to stop and chill, and you know why? It's us the Trill.
You're never not on my mind. Oh my, oh my. I'm never not by your side, your side, your side. I'm never gonna let you cry, oh cry, don't cry. I'll never not be your ride or die, alright. La 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 like you, la 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 like you, la 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 like you, like you, like you, la 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 like you, la 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 like you, la 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 like you. No one like nobody like you. Had friends and I've had buddies, it's true, but they don't turn my tummy. I've never met nobody, I've never met nobody. You're never not on my mind. I'm never gonna let you cry, oh cry, don't cry. I'll never not be your ride or die, alright.
Look at me, I will never pass for a perfect bride or a perfect daughter. Can it be I'm not meant to play this part? Now I see that if I were truly to be myself, I would break my family's heart. Who is that girl I see staring straight back at me? Why is my reflection someone I don't know? Somehow I cannot hide who I am, though I've tried. When will my reflection show who I am inside? How I pray that a time will come I can free myself from their expectations. On that day, I'll discover some way
to be myself and to make my family proud. They want a docile lamb. No one knows who I am. Must there be a secret me I'm forced to hide? Must I pretend that I'm someone else for all time? When will my reflection show who I am inside? When will my reflection show who I am inside?
You can shake an apple off an apple tree. You shake a sugar, but you never shake me. No sorry, I'm gonna stick like glue. Stick because I'm stuck on you. I'm gonna run my fingers through your long black hair. Squeeze it tighter than a grizzly bear. Yes, sorry, I'm gonna stick like glue. Stick because I'm stuck on you. Hot in the kitchen, hot in the hall. Hang on, do you know it good at all? 'Cause once I catch you and the kissing starts, a team of wild horses couldn't tear us apart. I'm gonna take a time from its daddy side, and that's how our love is gonna keep us tight. Yes, sir, I'm gonna stick like glue. Stick because I'm stuck on you. Hot in the kitchen, hot in the hall. Hang on, do you know it good at all? 'Cause once I catch you and the kissing starts, a team of wild horses couldn't tear us apart. I'm gonna take the tiger from its daddy side, and that is how our love is gonna keep us tight. Yes, sorry, I'm gonna stick like glue. Stick because I'm stuck on you. I'm gonna stick like glue. Stick because I'm stuck on you. I'm gonna stick like glue. Yeah, yeah, because I'm stuck on you.
I messed up tonight. I lost another fight. I still mess up, but I'll just start again. I keep falling down. I keep on hitting the ground, but I always get up now to see what's next. Birds don't just fly, they fall down and get up. Nobody learns without getting it wrong. I won't give up, no, I won't give in until I reach the end, and then I'll start again. No, I won't leave. I wanna try everything. I wanna try even though I could fail. reach the end, and then I'll start again. No, I won't leave. I wanna try everything. I wanna